How to change server region in Valorant. So the first option is just by downloading a VPN, then connecting to any other server region and creating a URIT account. But if you want to use your same RIOT account for another region, what you want to do is just go to Valorant support. And to do that, go to playvalorant.com, then go to support right here. And once you're here, go to change region of residence. So I'm just going to wait for this to load again. So yeah, I'm back. Then go to change region of residence right here. So make sure that you're signed in first. Then click on that and it will bring you right here. And you'll see an option to log in first if you haven't logged in yet. But if you're logged in, this will pop up. So updating your region of residence. And if you feel that your region of residence is listed incorrectly, so right will help you. So just simply click on check right here. Then just wait for it to load. So let's say you're going on a vacation or something and you want to play Valorant there. You'll just need to do these steps to change your region. As you can see, my current region is in the Philippines. And if I checked that and verified it, so that's why my region of residence is correct. And I can't change my region. But if you want to move your region, or you want to change your region because you want to, or you're going out to another country or region or server, what you can do is once you're there on that particular region, you will now do this change of region request. And if you're not moving out or something, you could just simply use a VPN and do this region check again. And after that, you can just follow the steps that Riot will give you to change your region. And that is basically it.